How to set up eBay holiday returns policy. To set up holiday returns policy on eBay, you must update your store's business policies to offer an extended return window. While eBay used to have an automatic opt-in button for holidays, modern sellers you manually switched their standard 30-day policy to a 60-day return policy during the peak shopping season, which is November and December. This gives gift buyers enough time to return items through the January. And to access this feature, you simply have to open any web browser of your choice, then head to the eBay Seller Hub. From here, tap on the account name in the top left corner and click the account settings. From there, scroll down to the business policies option. From there, you can choose to edit or create a return policy, adjust the return window and rules, and bulk apply it to your listings. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.